Ano masasabi mo sa comment ng ibang doktor na delikado daw po ang keto kasi it will develop kidney disease? Remember po, yung low carb has different categories. Andyan yung ketogenic, which is ito yung tanong po ninyo, keto. Meron tayong moderate, meron tayong liberal. Kung wala pa siyang problema sa kidneys, so normal yung kidneys niya, it's not going to be a problem na siya ay mag-keto or moderate or liberal low carb. Bakit? Kasi if you just follow yung ating standards na protein intake of 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram body weight per day, sometimes even up to 2 grams per kilogram body weight per day, pero kayo ay nag-workout, then that shouldn't be a problem po for people with normal kidneys. Ngayon, ano yung issue with people who already have some form of kidney disease? Iba-iba kasi yung kategorya ng kidney diseases and depende po sa extent ng inyong kidney disease yung magiging adjustment ng protein intake natin. So stages 1, 2, and 3A, walang problema. Hindi ka naman mag-a-adjust ng protein intake mo usually sa levels na yan. But when you reach itong 3B, 4, and 5, you have to adjust yung iyong protein intake. So, nagiging problema lang pag nasusobrahan yung protein dahil hindi alam nung naglo-low carb na dati na palang may lamat yung kidneys na sumusobra pala yung kanyang protein intake. So, this is why it's really, really important po to understand yung paglo-low carb.